What's that, David?
Oh shit, sorry, yeah. I didn't know it was in it.
And I don't blame you for wanting to look like me. To be a beautiful girl like me, it takes a lot of effort. But if you just follow small few steps, and if you just follow off.
Fintan McCormick, taking care of business. Head on.
Hello, Miss McGuckin.
Oh Jesus, Joe! You fucking bastard!
Okay, we'll just make our way in.
How you doing, lads?
Hey.
You enjoying Paddy's Day?
Yeah, really. Yeah, really, man. Yeah.
You just bought your stuff out of Carol's, yeah?
Yeah.
They seen yous coming. Hook, line and sinker.
You're from town, I know you. You're from the North Stand. You've got Conor Noah, so I know you, please. Fuck off.
Don't look at me like that. You like a bit of dick too, aren't you? You said both love dick.
I know you look fab.
Gorgeous, thanks Stacey.
Who's Stacey?
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna put it in there, I'm gonna put it in there, I'm gonna put it bleeding everywhere now. I'm going off for a bit of dick.
So much love is gold. You get that?
We can't have this.
You couldn't.
Yeah, it's a nice thing. I think it's a nice brand. Regato.
It's a walk slow, bush.
Killed you. No, not literally. As a nation. Metaphors, Dave.
You're from Australia?
Australia, 11 months travelling, and here I am in Ireland.
If Ireland is so great, why does everyone keep fucking off to Australia?
Well, you know, the Irish, they're not the smartest, you know.
What are you wearing?
Sorry?
What are you wearing? Authentic Irish clothes?
You'll be like me one of these days. And me, I am absolutely brilliant. Now wait till you hear this one more time. Hats, scarves, balloons and headbands. Get the last of 3 for 5. You could be like me one of these days. Now get this back on, forget about your notepads and give it to me out of your stomach, Peter. Come on, let's hear it now.
Hats, scarves and headbands.
Jesus Christ.
That's what I'm saying. All that went without a hitch. I think you're grand.
This is a fucking party.